Hi guys, and welcome to another RC Plane Guy video. In this video we're going to have a quick look at a new product from a company called 1ManArmy. So this quite literally is a one-man army. It's run by a guy called Sven, and he's a very nice guy who's basically already well established in the kind of airbrushing scale detail world of mainly the smaller models, so airfix type smaller scale models, and he's looking to branch out into the RC world. So yeah, he sent me a pack to have a look at and kind of have a quick review over. So this pack has come through and we're gonna get into it. So let's take a look. So the package has arrived and it's pretty sturdy, solid cardboard, which is always a good sign. Obviously we don't want anything getting ripped and torn up and bent in the post, because we all know how good the post can be sometimes. So yeah, it's good to see that there's some nice good packaging that comes with the parcel. So let's get into opening it. Wow, a lot of things there. So we've got lots of samples. So Sven did say that he was going to be sending those over for me. So these are various samples to be used that I can use for testing or hand out to anyone that might be interested, that want to try one for themselves. So yeah, if you're interested in one of those, get in touch and we'll see what we can do. And this is the pack for my P47, so a little ahead of time at the moment for me, but planning ahead. This is actually for my Top Flight P47, the giant scale version that I'm currently building, and you can find the build series to those videos on my channel. So this is a kind of stencil and like mask set for the Thunderbolt, giving all the little details, all the little wording and little details that you don't often kind of immediately spot, but with them all added, it just really adds that finishing touch to a model and makes it look so much more scale. So it comes with lots of different variations of stencils. So as you can see here, there's loads on there, some great instructions. It's a really nice looking pack in general, to be honest. I'm quite impressed. So we're going to have a look at it, and it gives you some guidance on where to put them. They're all available in lots of different scales. So there's some standard scales that are available for some of the kind of more common sizes and kits that are on offer. And then there's also, he offers the ability to scale up or down to suit your needs. So if you have something bespoke that you're making or something out of the original range he's doing, he can most likely sort you out. So let's get it open. Wow, yeah, so it's actually in like almost like a little booklet. So yeah, really nice packaging. First impressions are very good. So we've got a user manual to have a look over, all about in a lot of detail there, preparing the mask and positioning it, actually doing the airbrushing, lots and lots of information, even to how to removing the mask and so on, all your tools that you need. We've got the actual masks themselves, so a few sheets in there, lots of detail. They look really good, and the feel of the paper is really good quality. So that all looks great. And then here we have the actual instructions of, or the guidance of where the stencils go on the model. So you can see the different views there of the wings, the tail, the fuzz, all in lots of detail of top side, left side, right side, bottom side, exactly where they all need to go, pointing it out. And again, some more instructions and kind of an overview of what's in the pack there. So on the whole, it looks really good, and I'm looking forward to getting to the stage of actually being able to use them. I also have another set on the way coming shortly for my Helldiver, which I'm planning to kind of have a bit of a makeover on that, and redo it with some more scale detail, so I'll be able to kind of show the use of using the Stencils in progress, more likely on my Helldiver before my P47, because purely because of life getting in the way mainly. I'm not being able to make as fast progress on my P47 as I'd like, but we'll get there eventually, so make sure you stay tuned. But yeah, if you'd like to take a look at the 1ManArmy, his website is here. So it's made in Belgium, and that's his website, www.1manarmy.be. He's already got a vast selection of models on there. As I say, make sure you select the RC range. He's got some on there already pre-made that he's made the packs for to ship out. And he'll also then be adding to that in the future, and if you get in contact with him, he may even be able to sort something out for your bespoke needs if you have something that he isn't already offering, a new model, something different, or a scale up or down different to what the scales he's offering. It suits it all specific to the wingspan. So as it says here, since the scale indication used in RC is sometimes imprecise, 1ManArmy uses the aircraft wingspan expressed in millimeters or inches as the only and correct reference for the product. So that's ideal for making sure that he's giving you the exact right size stencils that you need specific to your model. So he's been great to deal with. I highly recommend him, and yeah, go take a look at the website. So fast forward a little bit in the time that I've finished editing and filming the last little bit of the video. The second set has now turned up, the Helldiver. So very much the same sort of level of quality as the first pack that we've just gone through, this time for the Helldiver. So obviously different scales available, complete new setup specifically for the Helldiver, and the picture on the top there is obviously suiting the Helldiver. And inside, obviously, same sort of thing. So we've got the manual, we've got all the different stencils that come with the pack, and lots of guidance on where to put them. So this one I'm definitely going to be making use of in the near future. So I just need to come up with a plan of action for where I want to, what I want to do with the Helldiver in terms of adding some extra details. So currently it hasn't got anything like panel lines or rivets or kind of any real major detail at all really. So I just need to work out exactly how much detail I want to go into, and then I'll start adding some of these, because in my opinion I think something like this really suits something with that extra detail. So for example, when you've got the panel lines in place and the kind of the stencils fit around those. So I would really like to try and add panel lines if I can make that work, but yeah, I just need to have a think about how I'm going to make that happen. So just to give an idea of the scale of the stencils, so here we are on my big wing, which is currently on its shelf on the wall. But yeah, so you can see here, so for example, there's a no step stencil that according to the instructions would fit onto the bottom of the flaps here, or the dive brakes as they are. But yeah, so that's the kind of level of detail that you can go into, really. You can really go into as much as you want. For example, there's some walkway stencils that will go along kind of in the middle of the wing there. But yeah, just to give an idea of the size and the miniature scale that these go down to is really amazing, to be honest. I'm really looking forward to seeing how this all comes out. So yeah, make sure you stay tuned, keep subscribed on the channel if you're not already, and make sure you hit that bell icon to keep notified. And yeah, we'll look at how we can get making use of these spray masks and cracking on soon. Well, that brings us to the end of this video. Hope you've enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to my channel to keep up to date on all the latest videos. And don't forget, it's free, so you have no excuse. Make sure to drop a comment in the video or drop me a message to let me know if you'd like to see anything else in my videos. And if you haven't already, follow the link tree either in my profile or usually in the description of the video, that will take you to an online portal to access any of my other social media channels. I post a lot on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, whatever it may be that you're on, I'm on it. So go on and follow it. As quite often my content varies from platform to platform. I don't often post the same stuff, so be sure to follow in them all. If you're on Facebook, be sure to check out the brand new RC Plane Guy Community Facebook group, which is a whole new space I've created primarily for you as the viewers, and to be able to interact with each other, comment, post your own photos and videos, share that experience and knowledge that's out there. I know there's so many different aspects of the hobby out there, and it's great to see everyone enjoying it and showcasing it for yourselves. So make sure you join the group and post some content, because it's great to see, and I really want to build that into a great place